Today, we're counting down the 10 creepiest things found underwater. From ghost ships to ancient monuments, these discoveries are sure to give you chills. Stay tuned, because number 1 will absolutely shock you. Fact 10. Sunken Statue Park. Off the coast of Grenada, divers found an underwater sculpture park. Human-like statues stand silently, covered in coral and algae. Some hold hands, others stare blankly into the dark waters. At first glance, it feels like a city of drowned people. Though created as art, the underwater aging gives them an unsettling, lifelike presence. The combination of silence, shadows, and slow-moving currents creates a haunting atmosphere that continues to captivate explorers from around the world. Fact 9. Ghost Ship of the Baltic. In 2003, Swedish divers discovered an old shipwreck in the Baltic Sea. Inside the cabins, skeletons of sailors were preserved, sitting as if frozen in time. Boots, tools, and coins were still intact. The cold water stopped decay, creating a chilling underwater time capsule. Divers often felt the sailors were silently observing them. The circumstances of the sinking remain unknown, making the Baltic ghost ship one of the creepiest underwater discoveries ever recorded. Fact 8. Yonaguni Monument. Off Japan's coast lies the Yonaguni Monument, a massive underwater structure. Some believe it is natural, while others think it's ancient ruins. Stone steps, sharp edges, and pyramid-like shapes give it a man-made appearance. Divers describe the silence and darkness as chilling, like exploring a lost city beneath the waves. Scientists still debate its origin, adding to its eerie aura. The monument is a haunting reminder of the mysteries the ocean hides. Fact 7. Human skeletons in Mexico's cenotes. The cenotes of Mexico hide an eerie secret. Human skeletons trapped for centuries in underwater caves. Many belong to the ancient Maya civilization. Divers report an overwhelming sense of stillness and unease. Some skeletons appear posed, while others are scattered. The combination of silence, limited light, and preserved remains makes these cenotes one of the creepiest underwater discoveries. For divers, it is a humbling reminder of how the ocean can freeze time and preserve the stories of the past. Fact 6. Baltic Sea Anomaly. In 2011, Swedish divers discovered a strange, circular object at the bottom of the Baltic Sea, nicknamed the Baltic Sea Anomaly. Measuring around 60 meters wide, it has unusual geometric features. Some say it resembles a crashed UFO, while others believe it is a natural formation. Sonar images reveal sharp edges and patterns that seem unnatural. The cold, dark water adds to the unsettling feeling. Despite several expeditions, its true nature remains unknown, making it one of the most mysterious underwater discoveries in recent history. Fact 5. Submerged train graveyard. In certain lakes and rivers, entire train graveyards lie abandoned beneath water. Rusted locomotives and carriages sit silently on the lakebed, covered in silt and aquatic life. Divers report a feeling of walking through a scene frozen in time, as if the trains were suddenly abandoned. The quiet underwater environment amplifies the eerie feeling. The strange shapes of decaying metal create haunting shadows, making these submerged trains a chilling glimpse into forgotten history and the ocean's reclaiming power. Fact 4. Lost city of Heracleion. Heracleion, also called Thonis, was a thriving Egyptian city over 1,200 years ago. Today, it lies submerged beneath the Mediterranean Sea. Divers exploring its ruins find temples, statues, and artifacts eerily preserved by water. Fact 3. Giant eyeball. In 2018, marine biologists discovered a massive preserved eyeball off the coast of Florida. Measuring nearly 30 centimeters, it belonged to a giant squid. Its sheer size shocked scientists, but what made it truly creepy was how it seemed to stare directly at the divers. Preserved in cold, deep water, the eye appeared lifelike. Rare discoveries like this show how the ocean conceals bizarre and sometimes unsettling life forms. For those who witnessed it, The giant eyeball remains an unforgettable and spine-chilling sight. Fact 2. Nuclear submarine. Abandoned nuclear submarines rest at the bottom of oceans, often after accidents or decommissioning. Covered in rust and marine growth, they appear as silent giants frozen in time. Divers describe tight corridors, dark cabins, and eerily intact control rooms. Some submarines still contain documents or equipment untouched for decades. The massive scale, isolation, and dangerous materials on board create a haunting feeling. Witnessing these submarines slowly being reclaimed by the ocean reminds us of nature's dominance over human creations. Fact 1. Underwater river, Cenote Angelita. Cenote Angelita in Mexico shows a freshwater river flowing beneath salt water. Around 30 meters deep, hydrogen sulfide creates a thick layer, making it look like a murky river. Divers descend through clear water, then enter the dark, river-like layer, creating a surreal, almost alien experience. The boundary between fresh and salt water is visible, and strange particle movement adds to the eeriness. For divers, Cenote Angelita feels like entering another world beneath the Earth's surface. It is creepy, yet mesmerizing, showing the ocean's ability to hide bizarre phenomena. Ultra. The ocean hides endless secrets. Which of these discoveries shocked you the most? Comment below and subscribe for more amazing facts. Stay curious and stay safe.